We sell such a vast range of new Land Rover products. Now this car is really desirable, and the reason why is it's the all-new Range Rover HSE. HSE's fabulous spec, finished in Portofino Blue, but it is the 440 brake horsepower plug-in hybrid. So it's the new 3 litre 440 horsepower plug-in. Plug-in range is 69 miles. So if you're in a city, that is fantastic. So from a plug-in, you get full hybrid electric, 69 miles. It'll then switch to petrol. It also, when braking and using it, it self-charges as well as the plug-in. As well as it being a HSE, it's a 2023 with delivery miles. It's in Portofino Blue. It's got 22-inch wheels. It's got a sliding roof. It's got an electric Towbar, side steps, privacy glass. Beautiful, elegant colour Portofino Blue. It's more of a traditional Land Rover colour, and I think as an all-new Range Rover comes, that car looks like a traditional Land Rover. It hasn't got black exterior, black wheels. It's in a luxury colour with 22-inch wheels, which are a great size wheel, in silver. Then the side steps, privacy glass. It's a HSE, so you've got things like digital headlights, HSE, heated and cooled seats, head-up display, soft closed doors, and then look at it inside. So let me just show you. So you've got Meridian, you've got memory seats, you've got 20-way heated and cooled seats in the front, and also heated and cooled seats in the back. And this will appeal to someone who wants to buy it, put it through the business. The benefit in kind with it being a hybrid is very, very minimal. So it's really desirable. And you get 440 horsepower, which is a lot. You know, the old model was a 400 horsepower. It gave you a mile range of 30, but it was a 2 litre. So this car's a 3 litre diesel engine, 3 litre petrol engine, sorry, hybrid. Right, so there we go. Let's turn everything on. Just turned it off. So we've got heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise control, we've got heads-up display. We've even got clear sight camera, tilt and slide sunroof. There you go. And you've got wireless charging. You've got the huge 13.1-inch screen in the centre. And then you've got other things. So we've got cabin lighting. I'll show you the EV. So this is a breakdown of how the hybrid mode works and shows you how your battery life is, your energy, the different charging. All real up-to-date stuff. And then you've got cabin lighting down here, which is there, so you can do all your different ambient lighting with the car being a HSE. You can change all the colours. I'm going to go back into seats and just show you this as well, because these are the key little differences. So there we go, they're on cooled at the moment, and you've got heated seats as well, and you've also got that in the rear as well, heated and cooled. Full surround camera system, which is superb. This car's got a Towbar as well, so you've got towing assist with it having an electric deployable Towbar. Even if you're not going to use the Towbar, it's still great to have as an option. It's tucked away, it's electronic. You've got illuminated seat belts, which I'll show you in the back now because you can't really see them here, which is part of the HSE model. Most importantly as well, it is priced tremendously well. You've got rear electric seats, rear heated and cooled, all that cabin lighting running through the back. But it's just a real, especially when you see it now with our lights, when you see it outside when the sun hits it, Portofino Blue is a beautiful colour. Huge boot space. You know, sometimes on other hybrids you lose that boot space. Well, look at that, it's massive boot space. You've got the button there, press it, that's your electric deployable Towbar. You've got air suspension button, you can drop the seats from there as well. So there you have it. So that is a 2023 delivery miles P440e HSE. Just a fantastic hybrid car. 69 range from a plug-in. 22s, ready for sale. It's going live. Be quick. It'll be the best priced P440e in the country.